Hey guys, I wanted to go through some of your new programming that's come out for a couple of different calendars and different people where they are. So, just to give everyone a little bit of information on the layout structure again, like I've been doing for you, and just explain sort of what our theme and our goals are for this point in time of what we're looking at doing. So, as you guys will be able to start to see as the new programs get dropped into your individual um, team builder app, that basically there's going to be a little bit of a theme of what we're actually looking to work on. So this basically at this point in time, everyone's in a similar boat with, we've got this gift of time. So what we're going to be looking at working on is some of the athletic qualities that require more time. So what you'll generally be working on in, say, early preseason in terms of muscle hypertrophy, building work capacity, lean muscle mass, obviously working into our strength continuum and aerobic conditioning. So both of these qualities, also all of these qualities require anatomical changes, and so that's why they take a little bit longer to work on. So at the moment, what you'll start to see is that we've got a few more strength sessions in our week. Okay, so in terms of what our periodization is, we're looking at sort of focusing on just a couple, like sort of narrowing down just to these qualities at the minute. So what we're going to be working on is obviously going through a strength progression that you'll see week after week. So you've got your three different strength sessions for our Stay on Track full gym guys who have equipment, and I'll flick over to the other calendar in a second. But what you'll start to notice is that week by week you'll be accumulating more volume in your sessions. So you'll be going from 6 reps to 7 reps to 8 reps to 9 to 10, and basically our goal is going to be having you slowly build out that volume in your training sessions and in your training week. And that's obviously going to help lean towards building some lean muscle mass and building through a little bit of a hypertrophy phase, and then that's going to start to work into when we go into a general strength and max strength block later on in a few programs time. But everything's kind of going to be working along that little continuum time frame. So what you'll start to notice is that the two things that we're really focusing more on in this program block is our strength, like I said, through our volume, and you'll have some conditioning sessions that you'll be going through the weeks as well. So if I flick over to our guys who are basically um, working through a very, very similar program layout. So like I said, our goals are going to be the same because everyone's in a very similar boat. So our guys that don't have the equipment, their sessions are still going to be based around our strength work. So I've still got that strength accessory session that we're going to be getting you guys to do on the Friday as well. But we're still working on, even with our body weight guys, we're still working on building work capacity and some leaner muscle. So each session that I've given you has got a little bit of a theme around strength, and again the what you'll start to notice is that it accumulates week after week as well. You guys will also start to see some of these double days, so AM sessions and PM sessions as well, just to give you guys a little bit sort of more work in your week that I want you guys to start building up towards. Okay, so we're going to notice that you start to go through a little bit more work each week as well, but each program is still going to be following the same theme of we're working on strength, we're building some lean muscle mass, and we're working on our anaerobic capacity and our work conditioning. So what we're going to do is we're going to start to film a few sessions as well. So I'm actually going to do this Friday session because there's probably a few new movements with some tempo lifting and things like that in there for you guys. I'm going to get Joe to also film the mobility session that was in the other program, and that way everyone has a really clear view of what they've got to try and achieve in these ones. Okay, so keep an eye out for those videos. I'm going to do this Friday one here today and load it up tonight or in the morning, just whenever I get a chance for you guys, but you guys will see that one straight away, and I'll get Joe to do the mobility one for you. All right, so we're building some strength, we're building some muscle, we're building some aerobic capacity. We're using this big gift of time that we've got, and we're going to use it to our advantage over the next couple of months. Have fun, guys.